Verasity is doing it again. If you're a Verasity holder, you're gonna like this video because I've got some positive news to share with you. Yes, it is a protocol and product layer platform for esports and video entertainment. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Verasity is up 2%, but this is not the story. And of course, I'll give you my price prediction of this project. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's get into this right now. Now, the main reason why I wanted to talk about this is the Q2 2021 review and more, because there's some positive news that came out of the Q2. Now, one of the things that they're doing, they're hiring because the company is growing. So they're definitely hiring more staff members to join the team. So that's a positive thing. The next thing is the VRA wallet. They made some simple but significant changes to the VRA wallet to improve the user experience and the security. And they reduced the minimum amount required for staking to 10,000 VRA and have extended the staking program into 2022, offering token holders an opportunity to earn more. That's good. Reward SDK is good because of the community members requesting more transparency about rewards. And of course, one of the highlights of Q2 is the Esports Fight Club. They led the way with numerous major esports partnerships with Esports Fight Club for exclusive rights to the tournament. And of course, the Riot Games, Southeast Asia, and more. So that's a little I want to talk about the Q2. I think that was really good because they've been really busy and they've been very impact on the development of Verasity. It is awesome. I love this project because they are transparent and they move it in the positive direction. Now, here's some metrics you want to know what they've also done with Q2, and this is something that's pretty impressive. This type of movement is going to be big going strong. They have said this, nearly 500,000 strong. Let's get to 1.5 million by the end of the year. And then the metrics, social media metrics for all of our channels. Look at this. You got all the metrics, LinkedIn, Reddit, Facebook. You get all this type of metric is growing each and every single day. Look at the Telegram group with all the languages. And then also look at this total Verasity, 272,023. And also you got the total VRA wallet, which is really that one of their main technology pieces that they use. The registration is 169,000. And look at this quarterly increase, 41%. And then new VRA wallets open, 40%. So that is outstanding growth in terms of Verasity, and it doesn't even affect the price. You know what? It hasn't even really gotten to the price yet. And it's not even about the price right now, even though I'll give you my price prediction where I think this is headed, in my opinion, in the future. Now, the last piece I wanted to talk about is going to be the AMA of KuCoin. Now, the AMA with Verasity CEO and founder RJ Mark had an KuCoin meeting, an AMA, Ask Anything. And this was just done not that long ago. And I'll go over a couple of things that was discussed. One of them was this. Please explain to us, what does the Verasity ecosystem look like and how do esports and Esports Fight Club fit into this? This was something that I wanted to know as well. Esports has over 500 million users, with more than half being in the Asian Pacific. The audience mostly male between the age of 18 and 30, almost identical to that crypto. So pretty much what they're trying to do is, they said basically they're trying to get crypto and the gaming to be in sync. And so that's what it looks like with theirs. So that's their plan is. And they're using the ages demographically and also using the crypto game demographic as well. So that was one of the things that they talked about. And they also said this, let me go to here. That says, can you explain proof of view in some details? Verasity developed proof of view to solve the following two separate problems: testing the current standard to analyze content after delivery. That's one of the things. And the other part was the proof of view system also prevents bad actors from trying to use multiple methods to increase the number of views and fake the number of views as well. So those are the couple of things of why the proof of views was explained. So that's something we want to know as well. Now, the last thing that I will show you, let me go back, is how does the Vera wallet play into all of this? Now, the Vera wallet is pretty much kind of like their main hub, their central hub. All roads leads back to the Vera wallet. And of course, it's where you can buy and stake Verasity tokens. Let me go ahead and zoom this in case you new users are coming here. We offer 25.5% staking rewards, probably one of the highest, if not the highest out there right now. It's also where you can earn your crypto rewards from Esports Fight Club. So that's something you definitely want to know. And let's see. This is one of the last things I want to show you here. How do you plan on increasing the value of VRA? You probably want to know this because you want to know what the value is, because right now it's sitting at 1 cent. And let's see what the answer is to this. We recently hired a team of talented executives to lead each faction of the company. Remember, Q2, they just hired Justin, the Chief Revenue Officer, and Miriam, the Chief Marketing Officer. So that's going to help with their development and some of their plans. Now, they said they hired this from product to sales and marketing. Justin joins the Verasity team as the Chief Revenue Officer to lead the commercial strategy. He comes with a lot of experience, 10 plus years of experience in ad tech, focused on advertising security and performances. So, and then you have Miriam has joined as a Chief Marketing Officer, coming from some of the largest names in blockchain, including Cardano and more stuff. So basically, they're going to be focused on the development, the awareness, the productivity. And so that's basically what one of the things they plan to increase the value of VRA is hiring people that has experience that's going to push the brand awareness, the product quality, the marketing, and all that as well. So that's a little bit about the VMA or the AMA with Verasity. I'll have the link in the description that actually breaks down all this down so you can read this later. But I thought this was very cool that they did an AMA that talked about the development of KuCoin. Well, actually Verasity with KuCoin Japan, KuCoin Japan, it looks like. So that is the transcript that was talked about Verasity. I'm excited about some of the update changes. I really think they had a good Q2. And now let's see what happens on Q3 and of course Q4 as well as we go on to the rest of the year. Now that brings me back to this of the price and the price prediction. And in my opinion, it's still the same. I still believe this is between 50 cents and $1. That have not changed in my opinion. But as more development and then as more technology gets even more clear and transparent and even more development on some of their technology, I really believe this price will be more than 50 cents in $1 in the future. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. You can get Verasity in the description box. I have it. You can get it on KuCoin, and I have a KuCoin link in the description. Go ahead and check that out. That is probably one of the best ways of getting Verasity on KuCoin. KuCoin is an easy place to get Verasity, and you can get it today by clicking on the link in the description box. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, right above you to the top left, there's another video there. Go ahead and watch that. Enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next video.